Good morning, folks. Today is February the 16th. I'm a little late today. A lot of you guys know I work in a group home, and the driver actually didn't get there to pick the kids up until late today. So it is what it is. Not much that can be done about it. So hopefully, actually, it doesn't look like we really missed anything. Here's 8:30, and we haven't had any signals. So I'm not too disappointed after looking at the chart here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back to you guys once we get our first print. Today is President's Day, so I do expect less volatility in the market. We probably won't get many prints today because of that reason. We'll just see what happens. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, we got our first order here. We got a buying zone right here.
Order filled.
Ah, shoot. Actually, you know what? I entered this wrong. What do you know? Let me go ahead and get out of this. Hopefully quickly. Actually, I'm just going to close it out.
Order canceled. Target filled.
Instead of entering a short, it looks like I entered a long on this one. Hold on one moment, guys. Alright guys, sorry about that. I'm gonna enter this back in. I should have had it in sell on a stop,
Order pending.
but I was looking at something else. We're just gonna have to wait and see if we get filled into it. I was actually focused on doing something else over here. I should have been focused on the charts, because mistakes can happen. And of course, if I'm not filled on this first bar, I'll just go ahead and shut it down. I'm also looking here at the 2-minute chart, and this one is set up for a long. So it's good to check, I guess, different levels. We have a selling, no, that's a buying. Let me see here. Okay, well, it looks like a selling, and that's what I'm assuming it is, because the buying level is this teal, light bluish color, I guess.
Order canceled.
So we'll go ahead and shut that down. And one of the main reasons I like to look at this 2-minute chart as well is to just see the different levels that we might face some issues at. Alright, so market tried to go up, wasn't able to, so we might get a push down here. Looks like our first target would have just got hit. As you guys can see here, this buy zone has already been hit one time. Market bounced off of it. But doesn't mean the market won't break through it. Obviously that could happen. Just have to be patient and see what it decides to do. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it until the next print pops up. I don't want to run my time up. Be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys what happened here. It looks like the market did bounce off of this buying zone right here. So came down once, bounced out of it, and a second time bounced out of it. I talked to the vendor and he said he went ahead and just took everything off at this first level because we already had it confirmed that it was going to act as support right here. So that's what he did. Same thing I would have done, most likely just taking everything off right here. And yep, we'll wait till we get our next print. Be back with you guys shortly. We just had this well, we didn't just have it, it's been here, but I wanted to show you guys on the 2-minute chart. We have this buying low volume node right here, and it's already been tested. Market bounced out of it, and here again the market has to get through that level, and it has to get through this buying zone, which has already been tested twice. So hold on, let me see what they're talking about in the chat room. Okay, I'm not talking about nothing right now. But yeah, the 2-minute chart, that's one more thing that I've decided to add to my arsenal. It's something else they use with the system. And like I told you guys, I'm just going to be adding things little by little so that I can get used to them and learn how they're supposed to work with the system. We do have several other trading styles that the system talks about and goes into that I haven't even begun to trade. So right now, all you guys are seeing are the these right here and these right here, which is the scalp trades, the aggressive scalp trades, and also the regular scalp trades. So in the future I will be taking other prints and some of the other types of trades that they offer, but right now I'm just trying to master kind of the meat and potatoes of the system before I start venturing off. And today, like I said, is a holiday, so I might just go ahead and shut down here pretty soon unless we get some really strong market movements, because you guys can see the market's just been bouncing up and down. So either way, we'll see. I'm gonna pause it. So far we're only 8 minutes in, so not a lot of action today, which is to be expected because it is a holiday. So hopefully tomorrow will be better. Anyway, I'm gonna pause it and hopefully we'll get another print, something that's not going into this. And now we have a selling zone right here and a naked low volume node. So this is kind of sandwiched in here. We'll just have to wait and see which direction we get the breakout in. Alright, I'm going to pause it and I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, these buying levels are really holding this morning. As you guys can see here, we got a selling zone right here, and we have this low volume node. And I was hoping that these levels, you see the market came up, touched that low volume node, selling low volume node area, and came right back down to this buying zone and did the exact same thing, bounced right out of it and just stuttering around in between. Same thing here. We had this buying low volume node pop up, got touched once here, touched twice. You can guess we can count this one 3 times, 4 times. So it's I don't know what to say. These buy levels are just holding extremely well this morning. And like I said, I'm just gonna shut it down here shortly after about 1.5 minutes. We don't get something being broken one way or the other. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down here. As you guys can see, these levels are still holding up. The only trade we actually did get was into this buying zone, and that would have just given us a first profit target. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Holidays and such they tend to be like this, less volume in the market, so I can't complain. It is what it is. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks and take care.